How to switch account type in Upwork. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it, so let's get started without any delay. First of all, you can just go ahead and open up the Upwork application on your device. Just go ahead and log in into your account, and once you are logged in from the given interface, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and the menu appears. Now from the options given in menu, select the option of settings, tap on it and this opens up. Now from here, what you can do is you can head over to user settings, and there you should be finding in first option of contact info. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then from there, when you scroll a bit, you should be finding additional accounts option with client and agency account. So if you have a freelancer account right now, in order to switch account type, we have two options available, which is a client account and an agency account. So if you want to switch account, you need to just go ahead and create up a new account in order to switch it. Otherwise, if you've already created an account, already created an client account or an agency account, you just need to go ahead and look out for switch account option directly from the settings, the menu earlier, and there you can just go ahead and switch between a client and freelancer accounts using the account menu and a profile picture in the uh, this one right here, top right corner, right below here, you should be finding once you've set up your profile on the new account. So that is how you switch account type in Upwork. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.